Ready to ditch the endless "what are you doing?" texts and finally nail down plans with your friends. First, let's create a shared calendar accessible to your friend group. Click the plus sign next to other calendars on the left side of your screen. Then select Create New Calendar. Give your calendar a fun, descriptive name like Friend Hangouts or Weekend Adventures and click Create Calendar. Now, let's invite your friends. Head back to the main calendar view. Hover over your new calendar in the left sidebar. Click the three dots and select Settings and Sharing. Scroll down to Share with specific people and add each friend's email address. Choose the appropriate permission level. See All event details is great for most friend groups, but Make changes to events allows them to add and edit events. To click Send on the prompt to share the calendar with them. To schedule an event, click any open time slot in the shared calendar. Add an event title, like Movie Night. Be sure to select your shared calendar from the calendar drop-down menu. Then add details like date, time, location, and any description. Now for the collaboration superpower polls. Open an event, click Suggest Times, choose a few potential dates and times, and then click Create. This lets your friends vote for their preferred option. Your friends will receive a notification and can easily vote within the event. Once everyone has voted, Google Calendar automatically selects the most popular time. Or you can manually choose one, and voila! Your event is scheduled. Using these features will make coordinating with friends a breeze, so you can spend less time planning and more time making memories.